All right, hi everybody. So this question says simplify and write with positive exponents. And to be honest with this one here, it's hard to say whether that this is already in simplest form or not. But there are a couple of things that are kind of implied by what's going on here. So one thing that you could do, for example, is simply take that fractional exponent. It's got a 3 in the denominator, so it could very easily have been applied to make that a cube root of the whole thing squared. So that's one thing that could be expecting you to do. Another thing that you can do here, though, is because you've got a power of a product, that 2/3 can distribute to both of those factors. Okay, it is a common mistake to think that if you had, for example, d plus e to the 2/3, in this particular case, I cannot do this. That is not equal. Okay, exponents don't distribute over addition, but they do distribute over multiplication. So you could make it d to the 2/3 times e to the 2/3, and then I mean, if you wanted, you could make that the cube root of d squared multiplied by the cube root of e squared. So there's a few different ways you could write this. I believe that the intention of this problem was honestly to distribute the 2/3 to both terms, and then maybe write it in radical form like we've done there. But anyway, just to give you some ideas of what you can do, and bear in mind once again, this one here, you cannot distribute that exponent over addition.